Let me remind you that the glorious Quran is not a book of science, S-C-I-E-N-C-E, but it's a book of signs, S-I-G-N-S. It's a book of ayats. And there are more than 6,000 ayats, more than 6,000 signs, out of which more than 1,000 speak about science. Verse number 17. Surah Quran, chapter number 25, verse number 40 and 49. In Surah Fatir, chapter number 35, verse number 5. In Surah Yasin, chapter number 30, verse number 34. In Surah Qaf, chapter number 50, verse number 8 and 9. In Surah Tariq, chapter number 6, verse number 11. There are several verses in the Quran which speak about what science is doing. Scientific facts which have been established. First, we'll discuss the subject of astronomy. About more than 50 years ago, in 1973, there were a couple of scientists who got the Nobel Prize for describing how did our universe come to existence. Verse number 41. That those who take for protectors, anyone besides Allah, they build for themselves houses like a spider. That means Allah is saying that those who worship anyone besides Allah, they are making for themselves houses like a spider. Besides talking about the physical nature of the spider, indelicate, it gives an indication where science tells us that many a time the spider kills the male spider. The female spider kills the male spider and is called as a black